Hi, I'm Corinne Lesh with FedScoop, and I'm here with Lee Petry. He's SE Manager for End User Computing, Public Sector for VMware. Thanks for being here, Lee.
You're very welcome.
So let's start by talking about what government initiatives are driving innovation in terms of mobility within the federal government.
So we're finally seeing, as a general rule, the federal government's usually a little bit behind what the rest of industry is doing when it comes to mobility. We're finally having conversations with our government customers about, I need to deliver applications to mobile devices. I need to provide bring your own devices for my workers. And if we're not doing the right things by being able to supply BYOD or supplying the ability to have applications on mobile devices and work that way, we're going to lose out on good workers that are coming out of schools today that are used to working that way. So the fact that we're actually having the conversations is fantastic.
And what about data? How are you helping to support agencies master the data tsunami?
The data tsunami. So it's interesting, as I spoke about a little bit earlier on stage, one of the things that most organizations and agencies don't take a look at is they don't actually map out what they have today and where they want to go tomorrow. So the idea of, if you understand what applications need to reside on what devices, the data should be secure back in your data center, regardless of what type of data it is. So as long as you're able to map that and actually showing that information, mapping it out, and understanding what the growth pattern looks like, everyone will be fine for it. We've got a ton of partners in industry that can help with the data storage problem, I suspect.
Okay. And what are the biggest areas for innovation in terms of mobility today?
Wow. So I think that we're taking mobile devices to places they haven't gone before. There was conversations earlier today about ruggedized devices, et cetera, for advanced folks in the field that need to have devices. And in the world that we live in, getting this information, getting the ability for people to work this manner, it's not always about dollars, although VMware traditionally has done a really good job of saving people money. What we see today is that we're actually able to save lives, and that's something you can't put a dollar amount on. So it's important to be able to be effective and provide these mobility solutions for people that are forward deployed, et cetera. And it's a great time to be at VMware.
Great. Well, thank you so much for being with us.
You're very welcome.
Appreciate it. I'm Corinne Lesh with FedScoop. Thanks for watching.